Hello guys, I am Aleke Reddy. Today I am discussing with the top 10 largest national parks in India. This is very important in all exams. Hemish National Park, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Desert National Park, Rajasthan. Gangotri National Park, Uttarakhand. Nandafa National Park, Arunachal Pradesh. Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim. Guru Ghasidas National Park, Chhattisgarh. Gir Forest National Park, Gujarat. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Indravati National Park in Chhattisgarh. Okay, and also in figures also these are the important in that national parks. Okay, you have to observe this picture also. And recently two African cheetahs from Africa to introduce the Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. This is very important. And also this is the part of umbrella program, umbrella species for conservation of India's savanna grassland. Thank